How do you even reach out to people to where you know कि ये इस इंसान को चाहिए होगा? What do you do?
हमारा
क्योंकि एक बहुत इनहेरेंटली शेम और ऑकवर्डनेस
Yes.
अटैच्ड है इंडियन सोसाइटी में तो
जब से हमने स्टार्ट किया इंडिया में 2013, सो डिमांड हैज़ बीन हायर देन सप्लाई. सो
really
वो क्वेश्चन कभी नहीं आया कि हम कैसे रीच करें. हमारा क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि इसका डिमांड है, हमारे पास ये प्रोडक्ट्स, वी आर रन आउट एंड वी हैव टू रीस्टॉक देम.
तो इंडिया में डिमांड इतनी ज़्यादा है दैट यू आर ऑलवेज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक.
Not necessarily always out of stock, but if you see the evolution of this category from 2013, जब हमने ये इंट्रोड्यूस किया था वो टाइम पर there was virtually no search or inquiry about products, either sex toys or dildos. There was very negligible. There's people
Hanji.
probably saw a movie or some episode online, they'd be searching, but there was very negligible. So जब people started looking, we were the only available source. So that demand was enough for us to match up,
Yeah.
right? But जैसे जैसे time change होता गया, now you hear about this conversation in Bollywood movies. Netflix पे chill कर रहे और आप ने देखा शो या कंटेंट, सोशल मीडिया पर इसकी बात हो रही है. सो अब लोग खुद ही डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम देयर ओन सराउंडिंग्स. So fortunate, which is why today it is the best time to be in this business. I call this is the golden age for sexual pleasure companies. It's like how internet was in the 1990s and 2000. We are going through the golden age, and very soon we may welcome the sexual revolution of India.
What do you mean by sexual revolution?
Is when you and I can talk about products on the coffee table without worrying log kya kahenge. So that age when it will be normal to talk about pleasure, it'll be normal to talk about sex toys, is what I call the sexual revolution of India.
आज क्यों लगता है कि लोग बात नहीं कर पाते? क्यों है ये शेम? क्योंकि सेक्स तो लोग कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
एंड satisfied भी है, unsatisfied भी है.
Yes.
There's a reason हम वर्ल्ड में इतनी बड़ी पॉपुलेशन है,
Yes.
the biggest, right? जब ये होता है, हर जगह हो रहा है, बहुत हो रहा है. It people see it as form of entertainment, form of exploration, form of escape, form of love, form of togetherness. 25 तरह के लोग इसको तरीके से देखते हैं. बात क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं?
हम अपने peers में, हमारे friend circle में बहुत openly बात करते हैं. बट ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट होते हैं जहाँ पर हमारे या पेरेंट्स होते हैं या फैमिली मेम्बर्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे हमारे कॉन्वर्जेशंस विस्पर में या हश में होते हैं, या वी डोंट टच दीज टॉपिक्स. सो ये माइंडसेट कम्स फ्रॉम अ लिटिल कि हमारा कल्चरल फैब्रिक ऐसा है जहाँ पर हम, even though I am okay with it, I'm talking, I don't want to offend my parents. I don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. I don't want to make them have to hear such things, which, so we as Indians are juggling this two, I wouldn't call personalities, but I think it's two state of mind jahan par we can be ourselves, and a lot of us are. Sometimes I'm surprised at how much information some people share now, versus the India I left 30 years back. They talk more, they act more, they are more informed. But at the same time, when in our surroundings of family and parents, we are a little subdued because this is not a necessary conversation to bring that. So it's a little bit about culture. I think this is going to stay there. This is a worldwide thing. It's not something that in America or Germany आप पेरेंट्स के सामने all day बात कर सकते हैं. It is understood. I mean, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आपने बात कर ली, वहाँ पर सुन रहे, it's okay. But still वहाँ पर भी हमने मूवीज़ देखी, अमेरिकन पाई, हमने अदर देखी, वहाँ पेरेंट्स विलिंग होते हैं कि एजुकेट करने के लिए, बट ये कॉन्वर्जेशन बेटर हमारे एज ग्रुप और पीयर्स के साथ ही कंफर्ट लेवल में बात करते हैं. सो इंडिया में एट द मोमेंट द concept of shame is become more well defined and has separated from societal judgment, from the cultural policing, and from others' opinion. So I think we have come to a place where we are mature enough, where we balance what is shame and what I want, what is my need. This I don't think has anything to do with shame. I think this is more like it's my personal affair. It's my personal preference, or it could also be something TMI for an open conversation. So मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ ये क्योंकि हम अगर वेस्ट में भी देखें, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि ओ मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ या आपने यूज़ किया है, और राइट सर्च कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं, जहाँ फोरम से वहाँ अपने प्रोफाइल नेम से बात कर रहे. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई राइट, बट ये जनरली कोई, सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट कम्स अंडर द गैम्बिट ऑफ दैट शेम का इफेक्ट उस पर रहना चाहिए. नहीं,
It's more related to personality and privacy.
Privacy and personality, yes.
क्यों women more open होती है about talking about their sex life, private life, what they're using, how they're going through with their partners, with their like हर चीज़ अपने friend circle में बताती है, versus men don't talk about it.
Very true.
Men max talk about their ego boosting and some stuff and that's it. उससे ज़्यादा ना कोई लड़के बात करते हैं ना कुछ होता है.
I think ये concept hai, this has to do with the psychology of how men and women are. I heard long time back, men use their eyes to fall in love, women use their ears. उसी construct में women, जब 2 women 3 women जब बात करते हैं, वो अपने thoughts को better express करते हैं क्योंकि वो रेज ही इस तरह हुए हैं जहाँ पर वो ओपनली बात करते हैं इन देयर ओन जेंडर जोन. और यू नो I think women love the concept of talking, right? You know, even all relationship experts, they say कि अगर you have a quarrel, go talk to her. Don't go out and say I need space. Yeah, you may need space, but taking space is not going to solve the reason for the quarrel. So women are more likely to talk and want to hear you. So that's how the psychology is. And with men, even, you know, I think this is again a guy's thing. Like if I'm with my friends and hey, what'd you do last evening? Oh, I hung out, met with Jay, and we chill. Now, if my girlfriend would have had that conversation with her friend, what did you do last night? Oh, we took out this painting. I saw the messages her boyfriend was sending. How rude of him. I told her this is not the right way for her to be treated. And then we are talking about nails. So the conversation in a women's circle is much more open, and they are like that. So when topics come about sex and their dating life, I think they are talking more to get a feeling of being like a sister to the other friend, either sharing or taking advice, versus men. I don't think many men say I love advices. I don't think men say I think I'm doing a good job. So that also goes into it. I think it's more about psychology than any cultural implication.
I heard a couple of my friends talking about something. I heard very interesting किसी के group में कि for men, winning her is a private project. For women, improving him is a group project.
What a irony.
Yeah.
Because what I heard is man goes into marriage with a woman hoping she will not change. And woman goes in the marriage with the man hoping he will change.
Yeah. Yeah.
and you know what happens.
And then there's a private affair and it's a group project, and that's how they operate like that. Like they need कि ये जो है इसकी सारी चीजें मैं अपने ग्रुप में बताऊंगी, and then I'll get either advice or just
Right,
share and
right.
then do it.
If you would have seen any of your friend, if they break up, did you ever hear they tell the whole background or context? I don't think so, right? With guys. But when the breakup happens on the girl's side, I think it's more like a
Decoding.
yes. It's
analytics.
it's a very in depth project, and also because everybody support each other, so it's not that one person is saying the other people are listening. I think the women, when they're together, they support each other, whether good conversation, bad. So I think that conversation builds up, and which is why kiddie parties always have women. I've not seen kiddie parties with men.
Fair. But I think men talk a lot in front of their women. Like
To
with
impress them?
No, just a partner. Men are very emotionally vulnerable, and they emotionally vomit and emotionally share and do all of that in front of the women. बाहर नहीं बात करते.
Which
Like
is
they will
very-
share everything with the women, how they're going through, what they're feeling, what they're going, like maybe knowingly or unknowingly.
right.
जितनी भी बात करते, भले वो कम ही करते हैं उससे भी,
Right,
but
right.
जितनी करते हैं मैक्सिमम वो अपनी पार्टनर के सामने ही करते हैं, and that's their weakest part. And that's why the moment अगर breakup होता है या कुछ होता है, you don't have that partner,
Right.
they don't know who to talk to, what to talk to, and
Very
that's why they
interesting.
suppress a lot.
I think when men trust their partner, they lower the guard. And I think this also comes that, we always know that boys are very close to their mothers because of trust and respect. So when that person comes in their life who brings a trust level that close, generally men drop their guard, and when they are themselves, they're not very much processing what they're saying. They're saying what there comes to their heart.
Yeah.
Right? And sometimes it's great. Sometimes, it's a conversation for a different
Another
day. अच्छा तुमने ये कहा था.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.